Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday, well, as of lately, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my kind of everyday quarantine get ready. I'm going to show you guys my get ready hair, things that I do as I'm getting ready to just help me feel more motivated throughout the day. And this is the makeup look that I have been doing the most lately, where I just feel put together. It helps me feel productive and good for the day without feeling like I have a ton of makeup on my skin. So if you guys want to see how I get this everyday quarantine makeup look, then definitely please keep watching. But before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. And stay safe, guys. I'm praying for all of you. Anyways, without any more rambling, let's get into the video. The next clip, I'm gonna be looking real crusty, like super crusty. So what we're working with today. So most days, if my hair isn't greasy, I'll just like reform my curls, brush it out, and I'm good to go. However, today it's a little bit greasy, but I don't want to wash it just yet because I feel like I want to also give my hair a break if I'm not like leaving and going out and about for the day. However, I still want to feel put together, so I'm still gonna style my hair, but I'm just not gonna wash it and then redo heat to it because that's just doing unnecessary damage if I know I'm not leaving my house to go anywhere. So I'm gonna start by taking some rice water spray. I just made a new batch of rice water spray. I'm gonna spray that through my hair. This works as a great detangler, but then it also is a good like hair treatment if you want your hair to grow. So on days where I don't want to apply heat to my hair, but I want to style it, I normally just like to slick it back into like a low ponytail. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna add some fun hair clips just to dress up my hairstyle a little bit. See, it's like little things that make you feel cute and put together. Another thing I like to do to feel like cuter when I'm at home is I'll put some jewelry on. So I love just using like simple gold earrings. I'll put on a cute necklace and like a bracelet, and I don't know, I love jewelry, so just wearing it helps me feel more put together and productive for some reason. I don't know why. So I will be using a more hydrating kind of like BB cream slash foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my MAC Skin Refined Zone Primer, just because this one helps just control wherever I do get shiny. And like a little on my cheeks. For my foundation, I'll be using the Hailey's Beauty's BB Drops. This is I've never used anything like it. So they're like little droplets. You only need a little bit and they just rub and like even up the skin. They're just so good. They blend out really nice. They even up the skin, but you don't feel like you have foundation on, which is what I need right now because I like feeling put together, but I hate feeling like I have makeup on. It's in the color light, medium, warm. So I just literally like drop it on my face like this. And then I'm gonna buff that out using this Morphe foundation brush. And like you'll see how like fast it just blends out, evens up the skin, but it doesn't look like you have much on. I feel like this is also perfect for like people that don't want a lot of coverage. They just want to even up the skin, but they don't want to feel like they have anything on. And what I love is like how fast it is to work into the skin. So for the concealer, I've been rotating them just to like try out different concealers and, you know, different makeup combinations that I've been liking. I have been using the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Concealer. What I love about this one is that it gives good coverage, but it's super lightweight. And this is a nice bright color, so it really helps open up my under eyes. Ooh, I forgot before I do that though. So lately, before I've been going in with concealer, I've been using a corrector. I've been taking this one by NYX. It's a nice peachy tone. And I've been just doing a little bit of that under my eyes. And this just helps it so that when I do go in with my brightening under eye concealer, I only need a little bit and I don't need to put on too much. So I just focus it on the sides of my nose. I love the applicator that this comes with too. And then to blend that out, I mentioned this in my previous video, but I have been loving the Blend My Face microfiber sponge. And I just pat that in. Alright, so then taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Deep Caramel, I've been picking that up with my Real Technique setting brush. And what I like to do is just take a little bit off of the side of the stick, just because there's less product there, and use that to start warming up my skin. And I like using this just because it helps me warm up my face, and then I don't have to use as much like powder bronzer. I'm gonna take a little bit more and just contour my nose. Alright, and then to set everything in place, I've been using my jcat Beauty Aquasurance foundation powder. So with a fluffy brush, I just lightly blot that. And then to set and bake my under eye, I've been loving the Pro Filter Fenty Beauty Lavender Loose Powder. I apply that with the same microfiber sponge that I use for my foundation. And then to warm up my skin, I'll take my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is my lighter one because I haven't applied my self tanner lately. I do plan on doing like a me day and recording it where I do like my self tanner, teeth whitening, do my nails, and just kind of like pull myself together for a day at home. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then definitely let me know in the comments. And I'll also take some of that bronzer down the sides of my nose. And add some more loose powder underneath. And I'll just quickly fill in my eyebrows. And I'm going to fill them in using my Morphe brow pencil. Doing brows is like the one thing that I really hate. Like, I just don't have the patience for. My brows are just so unmanageable. Like, they're furry but dull at the same time. They're sparse. They just drive me insane. Like, it's like if they could be like full and bushy but not be patchy, that would be great. But it's like they're full bushy, but then they're also super patchy and like sparse. They give me the biggest headache. So what have you guys been up to during this quarantine? What have you guys been doing to stay busy? How are you guys? How are your families? Then what I do is I take this L'Oreal Lash Primer, but instead of using it on my lashes, I use it on my brows. It does look crazy at first because it makes my brow hairs white, but it ends up drying clear. And I just love how this really holds down my brow hairs and gives them that nice like feathery look. So now I just take a fluffy brush and some more of my bronzer. I'm going to sweep that all over my eyelid. And also down onto my eyelid. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush with some more of that bronzer and put that on my lower lash line. Just going to wipe away my under eye bake. And now I'm just going to kind of like press in my under eye bake to remove it. I feel like by pressing it, it just helps keep that area nice and bright. So it's crazy. This morning I was watching some of my super old YouTube videos just to kind of like, I don't know, see the progress and everything. And it's so crazy how much like the quality of everything has changed, and just like, I don't know how I used to be in my old videos. If you're new here, a lot of you guys might not know, but I've had my channel forever. Like, I started my channel back in 2013, and then I just like went through some like ups and downs. I like stopped filming for a little bit, but for the most part, like that's when my channel started. So it's crazy to see the progress and how much I've changed throughout the years, and the quality of my content, and then just, I don't know, where I'm at now. So, I don't know, I just thought that was nice. It was very refreshing to see and just like appreciate my slow but steady growth. Now I'm just gonna take some highlighter. This is my MAC Real Glow highlight palette, and I'm just gonna swirl all the colors together and put that on the highest point of my cheekbones. You guys already know the deal. Now with a smaller brush, I'll take the middle color and put that down my nose and on my Cupid's bow. Put it pretty far out in my inner corner to really extend my eye and a little bit underneath of my eyebrow. Anytime now. I can get out of there. What is happening? Oh, I almost forgot about blush. How could I forget? So lately I've been trying to switch up my blush. So normally, most of you guys know I love using Dainty by MAC. I still think this one's beautiful, but I have also been really liking this one by MAC called Peaches. I'm going to show you guys how Peaches look just because I'm sure you guys are sick of seeing me use the same blush every single video. And then next I like to take this Wet n Wild liner in dark brown. It's a liquid liner. I take the product and I literally like wipe off everything on the wand just because I don't want it super intense. And I just do a line on the end to extend my eye. And I also do a line in my inner corner to extend it. And then I'll also do a line across my eye. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'll show you what we're going to do in a second. Then taking a small angled brush in any dark brown shadow, I'm just going to pick one up in my Huda Beauty palette. And I just like to put that right on top of the brown eyeliner. Kind of similar to the look that I had in my last video, just a lot softer. And then for mascara, lately I've been loving to mix the Maybelline Falsie Mascara and then the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Mascara. So I coat the crap out of my top and bottom lashes because I don't like to wear false lashes on a regular basis just because I don't got time for that. So then for my lip color, I'm going to take my MAC Spice lip pencil. Over top, I'll be using my Maybelline Mauve for Me lipstick. I used this in my previous video, but I just think it's a good, just everyday kind of lip color. And I just do a light sweep and then I rub it in with my finger. That way it's not on too thick because I also hate the feeling of lipstick on my lips when I'm at home. Like, I just don't want to know that anything is there. Alright, so now I'm going to apply my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. I'm going to cover my eyes though because I put on a crap ton of mascara. I don't want it to get everywhere, so pray for the best. Alright you guys, and here you have it. This is my go-to just everyday quarantine makeup. It might be a little bit excessive, but it really just helps me feel put together, feel like I look good, and just want to be more productive for the day. So I hope that you can take some tips and tricks from this, you know, that you may utilize or that may help you. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every day, every time I upload. Every day. I wish it was every day, but we're getting there. But every time that I upload, I love you guys so much. I hope you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!